Good afternoon mga kapatid. Papunta na po ako sa bahay ni ang Madiskarteng Mommy. Init po. Mag-deliver po ako ng Herbal wrap order. Dalawang beses na po ako nakapunta sa bahay nila Mommy. Madali na lang. Bad trip lang yung jeep na sakyan ko eh. Binaba ko ng blubo, sabi ko Maya. Yan, nandito na po ako ng Herbal sa street nila Mommy. Lovebird Street. Yan, dito po dito. Yan. May second floor po sila ang Madiskarteng Mommy. Yan po mga ka-Herbal. At magturo na rin ako sa kanya sa night boat at saka pag ALS. Ito na po ako. Hello! Yan, dito anak niya. Dito na po ako sa bahay ni Mommy. Uy, Mommy, order ka lang wrap, diba? Yun, kaya nandito ako. Si ang Madiskarteng Mommy, mga ka-Herbal. Yan. Deliveran ko ng Herbal wrap. Ngayon, bibili na talaga si Mommy. No, Mommy?
Hi. Ayun.
Yun.
Yan.
Pabibili ni Mommy kasi
pampahid sa stress, sa pagod.
Oo, ito.
Kasi palagi tayong pagod eh.
Yan, magbe-bake si Mommy ng banana cake.
Magba-banana cake kami.
Yan, prepare na. Feel at home. Grabe pawis ko, tagaktak. Di ba yan maikot, Mommy?
Towel dapat. May
Di yan
towel
maikot.
ka.
Ikot mo lang electric pan, Mommy.
Oo nga, kasi umiikot. Steady na siya. Ayaw mo may hangin.
Dinala ko harap kasi. Ay, mag-picture pala tayo para may tamang. Teng, dito na rin po ako
Para meron
LS.
kaming merienda mamaya.
Habang kumakain ako. Mag-record ka muna unti, Mommy. Sana sipi ko. Dalawa lang dinala ko. Naka-ready na.
Kain ka muna. Bago mag-LS.
Welcome to the Team Herbalistang Pine 21. Become new membership. Welcome to the Team Herba Traditional Healer TV. New member. Welcome to the Team Herbs Divious Kitchen and Vlogs. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Shangkong Diaries. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Madiskarteng Mommy 19. New member. Welcome to the Team Herbanalu J Vlogs. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Ang Madiskarteng Mommy. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Chubby 13 Mix Vlog. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Kasano Keisha TV. New member. Welcome to the Team Herb Charles Amigo Official. New member. Thanks to all supporters for the super sticker, super chat and membership. Thanks to your support for the super chat and trust to the Team Herba. Subscribe Traditional Healer TV. Thanks to your support for the super sticker and trust to the Team Herbs. Subscribe Hong Kong Diaries. Thanks to your support and trust to the Team Herbs. Subscribe Divyas Kitchen and Vlogs. Thanks to your support for the super sticker and trust to the Team Herbs. Subscribe Madiskarteng Mommy 19. Thanks to your support for the super sticker and trust to the Team Herb. Subscribe Analu J Vlogs. Thanks to your support for the super chat Simply Susie. Thanks to your support for the super chat. Subscribe Namarski. Thanks to your support for the super chat. Subscribe Vendor Seller Vlog. Thanks to your support and trust to the Team Herb. Subscribe Ang Madiskarteng Mommy. Thanks to support for super chat. Analu J Vlogs. Thanks to your support and trust to the Team Herb, subscribe Chubby 13 Mix Vlog. Thanks to your support and trust to the Team Herb, subscribe Kasano Keisha TV. Thanks to your support for the super sticker, subscribe to Big Danum channel. Thanks to your support for the super chat, Traditional Healer TV. Thanks to your support for the super chat at Divyas Kitchen and Vlogs. Subscribe Ismart Chiranjeevi. Thanks to your support and trust to the Team Herb, subscribe Charles Amigo Official.
Welcome to the team. Herbalistang Pine 21. Become new membership. Facebook. Marjorie Caballero. Welcome to the Team Hub. Loyalty badges next to your name in comments and live chat. Customize emoji to use in comments and live chat. Members only live chats priority reply to comments. Level 1 Hub 25 per month. Welcome to the Team Hubs. Includes access to perks from previous levels. Early access to new videos. Member shoutouts. Photos and status updates. Exclusive members only videos, members only live streams. Level 2 Hubs 49 per month. Welcome to the Team Herber. Includes access to perks from previous levels, connecting on social meta gameplay with you. Level 3 Hub is 79 per month. Welcome to the Team Hub list. Includes 2 perks from previous levels. Members only live chat. Members only live streams. Level 4 Herbalist 99 per month.
Like, picture ako. Picture na kasi magla-live na po ako mga kapatid. Happy Sunday everyone. Magpa-Bible trivia ako ngayon. 2020 lang mga kapatid. Kasi wala pa akong nahanap na sponsor. Galing muna sa akin sariling Gcash. Let's go. Bye-bye.